What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome to Around the Track. This is where we talk about all the hot and new things going on within the Coastal community. And today I've got some information regarding King's Dominion Project 2021. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Baby, I'ma hold you tight. Give me just another night. Baby,
Alrighty, so all information go to KD fans once again on this one. Big shout out to them for getting this information. Alright, so about a month ago, KD fans actually announced that King's Dominion was supposed to be getting an SNS 40 free spin coaster. And the reason why we're talking about it once again is because it's going to be happening regardless of the coronavirus. So basically they're still going forward with the plan to continue construction, and they're actually starting soil testing, which is some great news. In fact, reportedly they already have 6 samples. And if you don't know what that means, they usually do this for big attractions like flat rides or roller coasters. So Crypt is already gone. It's gone. There's basically no remnants of it left. And luckily you're able to see these pictures that they had. I was really excited that they were able to get these pictures from inside that fencing structure, because all I had was the outside, so they got the inside, which is really cool. But like I said, there's nothing left. It's pretty much flat at this point. And by the time we even get to go to the park, we might even already see footers at that point. We don't even know yet. Now the fencing is high, like I was talking about. It's about a 6 to 7 foot fence. It's gonna be hard to even see over that, even if you had like a tripod or something. The length of it is gonna be from the actual Crypt ride area, basically from like the first part of Outer Hanks entrance, and then it's gonna come around all the way to the Avalanche entrance, which is a pretty large area. If you don't know, if you see it in person, you're gonna be like, oh, that actually is a pretty large area, and it is big enough to fit that 40 free spin. But like I said, I imagine that progress is gonna start speeding up very soon with this whole coronavirus thing going on. And while everyone's in quarantine, it's great for the park because nobody can really get into the park and talk about it and whatnot. Although it would really help Kings Dominion, honestly, at this point, they're going to be getting something. We obviously know at this point, though, they've been hinting at whatnot more and more. This also leads me to believe that Cedar Fair is more than likely going to continue their projects for 2021, but after that, it's going to be a big question mark, because we don't know how long this whole thing is going to last with this code and whatnot. It's going to be interesting seeing the quarterly and whatnot for this year. It's going to be so low. Just get ready. So yeah, other than that though, I hope you all did enjoy the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, enable post notifications to stay up to date with everything that's happening on the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thanks for watching once again, and until next time, you guys, peace out.